Hi guys, Jace here, Jason's Creative Adventures, and this video is actually a few weeks old because this happened before Christmas and now it's a few days after. And I had some problems with editing because I had a laptop that didn't have enough gigabytes to process the videos, and I was just having nothing but problems. So for Christmas, my wonderful wife bought me a newer laptop that has more gigabytes. It has 12 gigabytes, which seems to be enough that this computer can handle editing the videos. So I should be able to turn out a lot more videos and be able to do a lot better job now with all my cameras that I got. So anyway, guys, enjoy this video about my greenhouse being mangled. Here you go. Hi guys, Jace here, Jason's Creative Adventures, and my greenhouse got blown over by a major windstorm. It was like a major rain and windstorm, but it was mainly the wind. And my father-in-law and stepdaughter came out and tried to do what they could to clean it up, but it got completely moved. For those of you who've seen what it looked like when it was in place, let me kind of show you. This is what it looks like. This is some of the stuff that was in it, some of the tools. So I didn't want them to come out and mess with it because I didn't know what the safety factor was with messing it. The greenhouse was way over there, and it's bent up a little bit. It looks like it might be salvageable if I can shift it over without it tearing apart more. That's all bent up. If I can lift it up and push it over, put it back to where it was, maybe, just maybe, because this corner, if you see where it was here, I'm gonna switch to the other camera. Alright guys, so right here, point this down a little more. Right here is where the greenhouse was. Here's some of the stuff that was in. I'm gonna have to move this stuff over. And here's the wood pile back here. I'm gonna have to shift this over. I'm gonna have to I think I'm gonna drag it from this corner over and push it over to right here. I'm gonna move some of this stuff and then I'm gonna try to drag it over. So, but it went all the way over to the wood pile. So the wind came from that direction and pushed it this way. So first things first, gonna have to move this stuff.
Dad, this storm made my slide faster.
It made the what?
It's faster.
Faster? Okay.
That's cool.
Alright, so I'm gonna move some stuff. I'll move these over here.
I want to do a video with you. What if I do a video with the camera?
Just leave it alone right now. You could be on my video. Okay? Don't waste my battery in case I need it. So that looks a little better. That. Okay. Now, this. Back in. See, these are designed to have a gravel base all around the inside and outside, and have a trench dug, which is something I didn't do, which is part of why this happened so easily. But it might have still happened even if it would have been buried. But I got a big old hole in the roof, and I got that right there to put in. And that's something that's gonna have to wait till I come home next time in like 2 days. And I think it'll be fine because I don't think we're gonna have any really bad like snowstorms or anything. But I am gonna have to take this back into the garage. So I don't know why they brought all this stuff up front, because this stuff is not trash. It's all stuff that I will be using. I'm gonna bring it back because I don't want anybody trying to throw it away. It's just part of what happens.
How's it going?
All right, trying to get my greenhouse back in order.
There you go.
Did you see how mangled it got? But it looks like I'll be able to salvage it. I just gotta get a better base around the bottom of it. It's supposed to have a gravel base around it, what they suggest when you install it, but yeah. They tried to come out and do it, but I wish I would have waited till I could have filmed it for my channel. They got everything bought out. They brought this stuff up front. They were trying to help, but just
the storm wasn't too bad, but
not as bad as they made it out to be.
No,
I drove the shell to downtown, and it was pretty bad on the way there, but it was like nothing on the way back.
Good. I was driving home in it last night. So.
Yeah. Yep. Later. What you doing? What are you doing, Goofy? Yeah. Well, I think that's about as good as it's gonna get. That door was already broken. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to take these two doors and make a wood entrance. Alright, got that put back in. Looks like everything is for the most part. You get that. You get down off this ladder. Ooh. Unless I see some clips laying around. Here's one. Here we go. Those clips just go in here like this. Alright guys, I think you guys get the picture. You saw the greenhouse the way it was. Here's Elena. She was part of the video too. She was out there while I was messing with the greenhouse. And I'm getting ready to go to work here any minute. And I just wanted to redo this video because the first upload had a whole bunch of stuff like some of the same footage on there more than once. And so I needed to go back and cut that out and then re-upload. So 43 or 36, well, what was it, 36 minutes originally? Now it's only like half that, less than half that. So I just wanted to go back and chop out all the extra stuff and look forward to my next videos. I plan on doing either a painting video, or maybe me and Elena will record us putting her LOL house together, or we'll just do that off camera. I don't know. We'll see. But I want one of my next. You want to record us putting your LOL house together that you got for Christmas? She got this great big LOL house that.
And it had candy cane wrapper on it.
Yep. You had a big old bag on there, didn't you? For instead of wrapping paper, it was a big old black bag, wasn't it?
Yeah.
All right, guys, I'm gonna cut this video off now.
That was funny.
For those of you that are new
That
here,
was so funny. They
please
just ripped it off.
hit the subscribe button below. Hit the like and leave any comments or questions.
Subscribe button. The subscribe is right up there.
Yeah. And hit the bell so you're notified of all upcoming videos. And look forward to my new videos. I'm going to be doing some painting videos, and we're going to do her LOL house. I've got a lot of things getting ready to come up. So, anyways, catch you guys all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
That was stayed home for 2 days, and now he gets to stay home for 3 days.
Yeah. All right. Bye, guys.